Today's house we love has an incredible terrace with stunning views of the northern coast of Sicily, as well as large outdoor spaces for entertaining and parking. It's just 10 kilometres from the gorgeous coastal town of Cefalu and a few minutes' drive from the nearest beaches. Set on 1,800 square metres of land, which is about half an acre, this home offers a wonderful opportunity to completely escape while still being very close to all amenities. The bright, open living areas have high ceilings and are ready to be decorated to your taste. The full-length unfinished basement could also be turned into additional sleeping space, and the asking price is just €130,000. And there is even an air conditioner. Please see the description below for a link to the original listing and Realtors' contact information.